Welcome to a special episode of our Train Diorama series. Our magnificent diorama is nearly complete, and it's time to move it to the birthplace of the TrainStation 2 mobile game. Today, you'll see how we split the diorama into multiple parts and transported it to Pixel Federation, a game studio 200 miles away. First, we carefully removed all the buildings, minifigures, and most of the decorations. Each piece was wrapped in protective film and boxed up safely. Only the greenery, bridges, and a few solid decorations were left in place. The diorama was built on a sturdy three-piece wooden frame, so separating it went smoothly. We disconnected the rails and split the sections. Hooray! The diorama has arrived at its new home. Once there, we reassembled the parts, reconnected the rails and cables. Then we put all the buildings and decorations back in place. After that, we refined the connections and added more greenery. It seems to us that the diorama looks even better than before, but you'll see that in the next video. Stay tuned and let us know in the comments how you liked this video.